Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So this video shares our beautiful experience flying business class from Delhi to Japan on the ANA Boeing 787. So I would say our journey to Japan began in style. Flying business class with family was quite a special experience filled with comfort and luxury from the moment we stepped in. So as you can see in the video, here we are entering the business class cabin, and I must tell you, when it comes to the seats, they are so spacious as the reclining feature makes it feels like home in the sky. Perfect for relaxing during the long flights as it gets really tough to sit straight for too long. And not to forget, let me tell you that before boarding our flights, we visited this lounge called Encam Preway Lounge. So normally I don't do lounge review or lounge vlogs. Maybe I should do it more often, as me and Akshay keep visiting different lounges and we love exploring like their food. We love to relax there, spend time there during our domestic and international flights. But this time it was with family and it was quite special, so I thought of recording it for my vlog. And as you can see, it was a lunch time, and I would say here in Encam Preway Lounge, it was not it did not seem like lunch. It was like a treat, it was like a feast, not less than a treat, like literally. And also when we were traveling that day, it was the festival of Diwali, so there were all kind of sweets, desserts, desi, international, continental, oh my god, you name it and you have it there. So it was literally a treat. So after having our lunch, we took some time to explore the business class lounge, and we checked out the small library, the video game corner, and the relaxing couches and loungers in different areas. So basically we had a plenty of time before boarding. So we were like passing time and making the most of it and had a great time. And as I mentioned that it was the occasion of Diwali when we were taking the flight. So all the crew and staff were wearing ethnic, जो कि for a change काफी refreshing लग रहा था. So post lunch we boarded the flight, and look at mummy papa having such a great time. This was actually the first time 4 of us were traveling abroad together. And as the vlog continues, now that we are in the air, it's time to unwind and enjoy some food on the flight. So there were vegetarian, non-vegetarian and vegan options available, but to be on the safe side, we pre-booked our meals, and actually this turned out to be a great decision, as flight menus often don't have many vegetarian and vegan options. So पहले से ही pre-book करना सही रहता है. And it was a long 7 to 7.5 hours flight. So then we had some rest क्योंकि seats तो comfortable थे. So we took some sleep, and it was a great experience traveling business class with our family. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. Like and share and subscribe if you like the content. Have a great time. Bye bye.